Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Pengu how to add friends. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add friends in Pengu, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Pengu app, and then once inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the friends icon that is usually located on the home screen or in the menu. Then choose add friend or search friends option. Then you can search by username by simply entering your friend's Pengu username or ID, or you can use a friend code. If Pengu uses invite or friend codes, enter your friend's code. Then you can also send an invite link. Some versions let you send a link via text or social media, and once you send a request, your friends need to accept it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.